African politicians, African leaders, look at what you people have caused to your citizens. The money they're supposed to use to develop their countries, build factories, only few politicians will steal the money. They will steal it while the poor people are suffering every day. Look at Africans. They are trying to escape from Africa. Some of them travel through water, through desert, and some of them will die on this journey. Some of them will not survive. They are trying to escape from Africa. Africa that God bless with mineral resources. But their leaders, their politicians are studying what is from Africa, eat it alone, where the poor people are suffering. Look at them. They are trying to escape. They are trying to enter Europe, enter other white man country. God has blessed Africa, but their leaders, their politicians are selfish. Are the cause of all this thing that we are seeing. African politicians are the cause of this thing that we are seeing. Those young boys, those youth trying to escape from Africa, traveling by the sea, by the desert. Africa is a place that God blessed, but their leaders eat money alone. They misuse the money that God gave to them. Most especially Nigerian politicians, they are number one. Go to everywhere in the world, you will see Nigerians. But Nigerians have mineral resources. God bless them. But their leaders are misusing their money. Eat it alone. Destroy their money. Damaging their money. Stole billions of dollars. They have expensive car, private jet, expensive house. They stole money, food allowance, growth allowance, billion, thousands of dollars, millions of dollars. Plus the one they will steal from the countries, damaging their money, damaging the money they're supposed to use to develop their country, damaging the money they're supposed to use to build factory, damaging the money they're supposed to develop their countries. Eat it alone, and poor people are suffering. African leaders, African politicians, you people need to repent.